The goal of the show is to introduce you all to people and ideas that can help you improve the quality of your lives. We've had amazing people till now, like neuroscientists, actors, authors, incredible entrepreneurs, singers, and even international DJs. And what research is showing us is that our brains are capable of doing incredible stuff, and we're grossly underestimating its potential. Through our trainings, workshops, and our show, we intend to redefine learning and education. So I invite you to come on a journey of redefining education.